In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages in Wix fast and easy with this Wix website builder tutorial for beginners. Whether you're just getting started with Wix or looking to expand your online presence, adding pages to your website is a fundamental step. So let's dive into the process and get your site growing swiftly. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Wix. This will take you to the search results page. From here, look for the official Wix site, which should be one of the top results, and click on it. This action will take you directly to the Wix homepage, where you can sign in or create a new account if you haven't already done so. Once you're signed in, navigate to your dashboard where you'll see all your current projects. Click on the project you want to update and select Edit Site from your options. This will launch the Wix Editor, a powerful design tool that makes editing your website a breeze. Now, to add a new page, focus your attention on the left side of the editor screen and locate the Pages and Menu button. This button is crucial as it manages the structure of your website. Go ahead and click on it. In this menu, you'll see an option to Add New Page. Clicking this will bring up choices between adding a blank page or selecting from a variety of pre-designed pages. If you want full creative control from the start, select Blank Page. This is perfect for those who want to customize every detail themselves. Alternatively, if you prefer a pre-structured design, examine the available page templates. There's a wide range to choose from, each designed to meet various needs, from contact forms to portfolio layouts. Choose the one that best suits the requirements of your website. Once you've made your selection, click Add Page. Your new page is now part of the website's navigation menu. This placement ensures visitors can access it easily, which is essential for enhancing user experience. After adding the page, remember to click Done to finalize the changes. It's a small step, but it ensures everything is saved and properly integrated into your site's navigation. By following these simple steps, you can continue on your journey of building a dynamic and user-friendly website tailored to your specific needs. Remember, adding more pages can enhance your site's functionality and cater to a broader audience. Keep exploring Wix's resources to make the most of its user-friendly tools and features. That's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate